High-speed uncapping machines gently remove the thin wax caps from every honeycomb cell. Sharp stainless steel blades expose the pure golden honey trapped inside. Large stainless steel extractors spin the honeycomb frames at extremely high speed. Powerful centrifugal force pulls every drop of golden honey from the honeycomb cells.
Fresh honey passes through several ultra-fine stainless steel filtration systems. Tiny wax returns. The filtered honey flows into enormous stainless steel settling tanks. Tiny air bubbles naturally rise to the surface. Check the sensors on the heat exchanger.
Reading steady. The rapid cooldown is proceeding as planned.
The warm honey passes through ultrafine stainless steel filters one final time. Microscopic wax particles and natural impurities are removed completely.
Robotic arms gently place finished honey bottles into strong cardboard cartons. Protective dividers keep every bottle secure.
Automatic robotic palletizers lift sealed honey cartons with incredible precision. The cartons are stacked neatly in perfectly aligned layers on heavy-duty pallets.
Make sure the supermarket order is complete. I'm scanning the last box now.
All pallets secured, Supervisor.
Confirmed. Everything is locked down tight. We are good to go.